What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Average Aaron's Auto Videos, and I've got a dirty 2009 Subaru Outback. That much is clear. But I'm just going to do a quick one, show you guys how to clean your mass airflow sensor. And one of the things I recommend to pick up is mass airflow sensor cleaner to do this, which is ironic because I think that's a picture. Oh no, that is a mass airflow sensor. Some of them look like this, and you don't want to get anything too crazy, but what's funny is it's real test, real results, proven to gain 4 to 10 horsepower at the wheels, helps your air to fuel ratio, and increases MPGs, which is ironic because I feel like a lot of products claim to do that, but this car is multiple years old. Let's see, 2009, probably made in 2008. It's 2022, just started, so 13 years-ish, right around there. But this part actually looks kind of new. And it's made by Denso. You can buy a lot of knockoffs, but Denso's pretty good. I've used multiple products from them. I like this one, even has a QR code there, so it's fairly clean. I don't know when it was last cleaned, but because I have just trying to do regular preventative maintenance while I'm in here, I went ahead and pulled it and cleaned it. So I also pulled off some other things too, but don't worry about that. So real quick, this sensor just comes off. There's 2 Phillips head screws right there. Gently pull this bad boy out. Now you'll see to do that little silver wire in there. There it goes. That's the part that you're going to just spray the stuff on. Just give it a good good amount of coating of that. And I had a small bin, which is down there, that I sprayed it into. That black stuff is from other things, not this. So just spray it off, give it some time to dry, and then you can put it right back in there and you'll be good to go. So hope this was helpful. I didn't see any videos like this for a 2009, so I thought I'd make one. Put it out there for you guys to learn from, and hope this helps you. Please hit that like video and subscribe down below if you would be so kind, and I'll try to keep some more random videos for auto repair coming your way. Thanks, guys. Have a great night. See you guys next time.